make the ultimate beach day. Immediately we're going snorkeling, go see some fish, and then come back and eat some fresh fruit. I like that. Wash that down with a nice bottle of Coke. That is definitely happening. Then we're not going to play Uno today. Uno's more of an evening game. We're going to play a bit of tennis on the beach and eat a traditional sandwich. Nothing too fancy. Now, we could listen to some tunes or read, but you got to get the rays in if you're at the beach. And then I'm going to have, the Maxabon. Oh, they are so good. Yeah, that is the ideal beach day.